Have you ever wondered what a marriage petition in U.S. immigration is? Let's delve into that. A marriage petition is a legal document that paves the way for a U.S. citizen or permanent resident to bring their foreign spouse to live with them in the United States. Essentially, it's the first formal step in the immigration process for spouses. Picture it as a bridge connecting the one you love with the opportunity to build a life together in the U.S. It's a complex process that can be overwhelming if you're not familiar with U.S. immigration law. So, who exactly can file a marriage petition? Well, let's get into that. The eligibility for filing a marriage petition primarily rests on two key criteria. First and foremost, you must be in a legitimate marriage with a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident. This isn't just about saying, "I do." It's about providing substantial proof that your marriage is bona fide and not merely a scheme to gain immigration benefits. The second criterion is age. The petitioner, that's you, must be at least 18 years old. The U.S. government insists on this to ensure that the decision to marry and petition for a spouse is made with the maturity and judgment that comes with adulthood. It's important to remember that meeting these criteria doesn't guarantee a successful petition. It's a complex process with many stages and requirements. But don't worry, we'll delve into that in our next segment. Meeting these criteria is just the first step in a long journey to bringing your spouse to the U.S. You might ask, how does one go about filing a marriage petition? Well, let's demystify that process for you, step by step. First off, it's all about gathering the necessary documents. You'll need identification documents, proof of legal entry into the United States if applicable, and evidence of the legitimacy of your marriage. This could include shared bank statements, lease agreements, or even photos from your wedding. Once you have all the documents in place, it's time to complete Form I-130, the Petition for Alien Relative. This form asks for information about both spouses and your relationship. It's crucial to be thorough and accurate here, as mistakes can lead to delays or even outright rejection of your petition. After completing the form, you'll package it with your supporting documents and the filing fee, then submit it to the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. This is just the beginning, though. After submission, you'll need to prepare for a biometrics appointment and potentially an interview. Throughout this process, maintaining open communication with the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services is key. As you can see, it's a meticulous process that requires careful attention to detail. You might wonder, why should I use a lawyer to file a marriage petition? Well, let's dive into that. Firstly, the legal landscape of immigration is complex and ever-changing. A lawyer, especially one who focuses on immigration law, stays abreast of these changes and understands the intricacies of the system. They can navigate the process efficiently, ensuring that all the paperwork is completed correctly and timely. Secondly, lawyers are adept at handling complications. Let's say your case hits a snag. Perhaps there's a delay, a denial, or a request for additional evidence. A lawyer can help you address these issues promptly and effectively. Thirdly, they bring a wealth of experience to the table. They've probably handled hundreds of cases similar to yours and know the ins and outs of the process. This expertise can greatly increase your chances of a successful outcome. Lastly, using a lawyer can provide peace of mind. Knowing that a professional is handling your case allows you to focus on other aspects of your life without the constant worry of your immigration status. In essence, using a lawyer can save you time, stress, and potentially a lot of money. If you're considering hiring a lawyer, the Shah Peerally Law Group PC is a top choice. This prominent law firm, based in Newark and San Francisco, is led by attorney Shah Peerally, a recognized expert in immigration law. The firm's reputation is stellar, having been rated as superb by the Avvo Attorney Rating Service, and Shah Peerally himself has been selected as a rising star of Northern California by superlawyers.com. Moreover, their expertise is sought after by international TV networks, further attesting to their authority in the field. But it's not just about accolades. The Shah Peerally Law Group PC has a proven track record of success, particularly in handling marriage petitions. From the hundreds of cases they've dealt with, clients have consistently praised their professionalism, their depth of knowledge, and their ability to deliver successful outcomes. To learn more about the firm and its services, visit their website at www.peerallylaw.com. It's a treasure trove of information and resources which could be invaluable in your journey. Remember, with the right help, navigating the path to a successful marriage petition can be a much smoother journey.